Hi mensen, hello mensen. Hi people, more mensen. What is it date? 6th of June 2026 and it's just past 10. 2 minutes or so past 10. And now we're going down to the river again. So another flood story update. Op datum van die vloed van wat begin het op die 4de. Ja, op die 4de begin. 3rd, 4th Juni. Started at the 3rd and 4th of June 2026. The flood. So just an update. Right. Let's go to the kloof first. Now, our kloof is still flowing a little bit. The one through the culvert from the road, R62 road, because the road is behind us, above us, 19 meters up. Okay, here you can see the water, and there is a culvert, and zoom it. There's a culvert, you can see the culvert nicely. So that's by the water, and that's an embankment, and you can hear a vehicle going there, and another one. Right. So now I'm going to down to the river here in the land, and let's walk there quickly. So I come from there, and I'm going over here. So I'm going to where Tommy is walking. Let's see, zoom into where Tommy is walking. Look at the mist, fog from the water rising. Okay, that's where we're heading. You go with this road here. Come on. I'm going to down by this road to the embankment there, and then we can have a look at that. Yesterday I went along there, and I went down there. When I got trees, I walked up the steep upgrade, and then I drove back home. So today I'm not just going to stop there, check quickly, and come up again. Go down to the river. The river is down there, the Gamka River. This is Hayes River, flowing down this way, and the Gamka coming from there. And the bridge is there, the big high bridge, and the metering weir is down here. So ons doen gou dit. Sorry, gou 'n entjie. So back to the car. The car is there next to the truck, the Isuzu lorry. There. Let's go there. Ten past 10 a.m. Let's go. So yesterday there was a lot of water here. Hier was gister heel veel water in die land af hier, as jy gesien het, and the water is still flowing down there and behind the trees down there, the reeds and the trees. Vloei die water nou nog af, maar hier nothing at all. It's completely dry. Not dry, but I mean there's no water flowing. Geen watervloeiing hierso. En die hele land daar tot die bo. Boven was onder water. That Lucerne land down there. Now there's nothing. It's completely gone. So let's go up this road again. There is your house and the mountain, and that's the embankment. So then I go down here to the river there, and I can stop there again where I stopped last time to look at the land on the left hand side. So let's go on with this road. So I'm not going to video this part where I go out down, maybe down the road there. I might take a little piece of a video. So wrong gear. First go down the old R62, stop down there. Alright, yesterday the water was flowing out of there, out of this land. This land was covered with water, dat was onder water. Water het hier uitgevloei uit die gras hier so by die weg, by die pad. Hier af, moet ek hom net uitzoom. Kom maar nou. Daar is hy. Dan hier, so af, daar is die make, klip, rock there for the mark. And it flowed down here. There you can see, hier so kan jy sien die debris daar so. The debris you can see still here as it flowed down there. Soos hy gevloei het van deze kant af, hier over, daar af, by the neighbor's pipe is now, you can see it, it's quite present now. It's not damaged yet. It didn't break. That's, oh, it is broken. The pipe came a little pulled out of here, pushed out. Yeah. Okay, so water came from the old bridge. You can walk down here to the old bridge now. Let's go for a walk. Snel hier so instap, kyk hoe die water gespoel. Ja, the water then flow down here to the river, down there. And the old bridge. Oops. Now I don't want to go in the mud here, but there's mud on the road now. And there where you see the shininess. Come on. Do that. The shininess down there, that's on the old bridge. The mud on the bridge. Okay, let's start again. And back to the car with the westbound on this old road. Can still hear the river flowing, but it's now quite down. So this was also all water, and down here, quickly get there, and this land was underwater here, that land, because this water went into there, down there. So I'm going up here, down there to the metering wall, and then on the left hand side then, of course, because I'm going down there. So on the left hand side, the big land where the water came out of. I'm showing, okay, let's go there. Yesterday afternoon I stopped here. Stop here again. Alright, now we're outside. And last night I made a video yesterday afternoon late. And I packed the rocks here. That's the max height. And the water was here. In the previous video you could see the water was here. So it's quite high up. It's about 3-4 meters from there to there, the height. And that's the land the water came from there. I told you just now. En vandaar die hele land so afgekom. Over there, down that road there, where our pump was at the bottom there, many years ago. And this is the marker of the 2000 flood. It's a 2000 vloed merk. And die water was here. And the water was here. There you can see stuff, debris on that bush there. So it was around here. So it's about 1.5 meters up from the level to the max level. It was in 2000. So it was bijna daar. It was nearly there. You can see here on the brush here too. There is the mark on the brush. And it's quite high up from where I'm standing. It's quite, it could be 1, something meters there. And there's a power box. And you can see the debris on the power box pole. How high it went up. Hoe hoog hy opgegaan het hier bokant die boven die kragbox. Up there. And last time the previous one of the previous 3 floods only came down here, didn't come here at all. It was down there this year, but 2024 it was halfway up between there and the box, about there. Now it's right up there. So it's heel hoog. Daar is die land. Die water het in die oggend toe ek 6 o'clock when I came here yesterday morning, it started to flow into the land there, and then later on it came from the top and flowed out of here. And as you can see the destruction of the, look at all the sand here, washed up, and there's an embankment where I stood with one video in the dark when the water started to flow over. Now it looks like this. It's a whole disaster here, as you can see. And it's soft here where I'm standing. I better stand back. It's now 4, poop. I better get out of here. Right. 4, what? 4,56 there. Let's see. We do height now. Yeah, it's about 4,6. Now it's less. Say 4,5 meters above the metering wall height. and but still flowing strong. And you can see how wide it is now. It opened up the whole river because these trees here are actually on the bank of a river. That one there and these, and it's still way up the other side. So it went right through those. You can see the level. Let's zoom in. Come on, struggle right here. The level of the what they look, it was right up there on the trees. So it was right against the mountain on the other side. Het heeltemal na die ander kant van die berge, sorry for this, gegaan, gevloei. And the one house is still left. The other one, they have to put a new one onto the metering wall here, on a metering box. Fortunately, they took all the gear out. On the what one is it? 4th. Yeah, on the 4th of June, about 2 o'clock, they took the equipment, electronic equipment, die measuring gear, die meetinstrumente uitgehaal, elektronische meetinstrumente van die huisie. Nou huisie niet meer, is weg. Okay, let's go onto the embankment here and look down the river quickly. Okay, like so. Still a lot of water. Heel veel water, meer dan alle vloede die jaar. The 3 floods before this one wasn't as high as this now is. This one is still higher than the other 3 floods this year, beginning of previous floods. That's why I didn't film them, because of minor detail. But this one is now something else. Is iets anders hierdie ene. Okay, now we come up, reverse up the steep incline there, up to the main road, and then stop there, and then quickly do a video there, and then go through the cutting again to the main bridge. Okay. So yesterday when I stood here, that was water up here, and just a little piece of green sticking out of there. This was all water. And let's go over to that side again. And I stood here. Okay, there you can still see the water there. But there in this land, it's now no water. There was water in this land, right? All over was water. So now the water is gone. This is where I stopped yesterday. Now this, yes, where I stopped yesterday, and the water was over the fence there. We can see the marker. The one chap made a mark here, and there is a stone. The stones, he packed the stones like that, and it was over this higher stone here. But now it's right down there. Okay, so let's walk to the bridge there. This is there is olive trees, that's wild trees. There you can see the olive trees. Still nice, nice, good. Nothing happened to them. But the land is still full of water here. And the water came from there over these trees, flowed down here. Hopefully, that's the main stream there. And it was up here. There you can see the debris still. And now it's hitting up against the bridge up there. And it's now quite down. Not completely nothing, but it's down. Tamelijk afgezakt. So the other side. And the water was right up there. Now it's only down here. So it was quite high up. And as you can see the debris there on the trees, how high it was. Look at the mark there against the krans there on the other side. Kyk hoe hoog is dit teen die krans daar aan die ander kant. The rock, the mountain. Okay, now we go to the old bridge. Old road went along here, made a turn there, and it went down there. So I'm going to approach it from the eastern side. Ek gaan van die oostelike kant af die brug na die ou brug, Huisrivier brug gaan. En dan gaan nou daar inry daar so. Okay, let's go and have a look at the Gamka Farm private farm estates gate. Yesterday, whenever I did one year too, and I stood here. Ek het hier gestaan en jy kan sien die weg is nou weer oop. And from here the debris is quite high. About a meter of flow was down the road. Now it's still in the land there, with the olive trees in the background there. Olijfbome nog daar achter, die poort. Daar, you can see the olive trees there. Okay, now I'm going along there. And through the gate there to the old Huisrivier bridge. Die ou Huisrivier brug gaan ek nou ry gou. Okay, let's get out of here. And the water was here yesterday. Came right up. I think it was about here somewhere. The water came up to here. So all the way here, there was water. Down there. Kom ons stap gou daarna toe. Let's walk down there quickly. This is now the old road, the R62 old road. Just now I went from the other side. But from this side it's easier to get to. Makliker van die kant af, deze kant af te kom tot daar. Now you see, only the railings were sticking up, out. Visibility visible at the top, yeah. I was hier geweest gister. Daar. Yesterday afternoon at the highest point, it was there. Now you can see it's still high. You can see the river still there. It's still very high. Nog heel wat hoog. Maar heel baie laer as wat gister. There you can see the mark. Just about onto the touching this railing of this bridge. It's the old bridge made in 1956. Okay. Now my feet are full of mud. My skoene nou vol modder, my voete. Right. Into the car again. I made a U-turn, so I'm on an old road. Because now I'll be old weg. The R62 from the bridge, old bridge. And here I turn to the right. And it went down to the Gamka River bridge there. On the right hand side of it. It went down there. Here on the right hand side and then up a low water bridge. It's weg, it's went up, it's off, it's gone. That happened in 1981 flood. Okay, let's go on with the road through the cutting again. Back. Bridge number 2, they named it number 1. I'm now out of the car, and that's how the water flows down the Ice River now at this moment. The water went into that land. Everything was water all over there. Yesterday when I stood on this bridge, this whole land was underwater, and that land was also covered with water there. So flowing from that direction underneath this bridge, and that land was only a little corner there was open there. The whole land was underwater yesterday. Okay, so I must go back to the other, there where the bakkie is going, the pickup. Come there, I must go there now. Again up here, in by that gate there, in there, down there, to the metering wall. When I say bye-bye from this video, with the dry land behind me now, no water land, geen water in die land nie. Thanks for subscribing, dankie vir subscriptie, tot die volgende video, until the next video, bye-bye. It's now almost 10 to 1. I'll have a look at it, what's going on here. It's now quite lower, it's nou bietjie laer as net nou. What is it? 4,2 meters. Let's see. It's about 4,2 meters. Right.